Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I've decided to feature the Merry Christmas to All stamp set and the Merry Christmas Thinlit dies. And the reason why I'm featuring it is because I'm going to have a class this month featuring these products. The class probably won't open until about the 12th or the 13th when I get back from Orlando, but it's going to be great. I've already started creating with it and it's so much fun. All right, so here I have some Pool Party ink and I'm stamping off and stamping on these little swirls. Now I always pretend that I've just received the kit. So of course, whatever stamps and inks and that sort of thing that you have on hand, please go ahead and use. I used Tranquil Tide here for the happy and the Christmas. There's dimensionals going to be popped up, and then I took the backings off, but then I remembered I have to put together all the mats. So this is the Swirls and Curls embossing folder, and I have used Pool Party for that. And then it's a white mat, and then there's a Pear Pizzazz mat. Super fun, actually. I am using my Tombow mono adhesive so that I can get perfect placement. That glue gives you a little bit of what people say wiggle room so that you can wedge things into place. And I have a Whisper White thick card base. So when you get the kit, you will have two of everything. So, and like I said, you can make one a Christmas card, and I made it kind of not so Christmassy, not traditional Christmassy anyway, that if you wanted to put birthday instead of the Christmas, you totally could. I thought that the leaves were pretty funky to get punched out in glimmer paper. So, and you can arrange them however you like. And of course, if you get the kit and you have a really awesome alternative, please either email it to me or post it on the Facebook page, because I'm sure a lot of other people would love to see that. So this is the card. I thank you very much for spending time with me, and I appreciate your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.